Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money doing affiliate marketing, promoting a really simple platform. And the thing about this is that you are really going to get very high commissions as well as very high conversions on this platform. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very important. Okay, so now let's go to the content. The website which you are going to use in this video is called guesses.com. Okay, this is one of the best website which has an affiliate program. So there are two ways to earn money from this website. One is making investment, but I don't recommend that, and the another way is just joining the affiliate program of this website. All you need to do is just search for this website, which is known as GISS. Guesses, I think it's Guesses, or I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but it's known as the guesses.com. And just you can sign up for it. Okay, and easily just then you will get into the dashboard. Okay, and after you get into the dashboard, you will get something which is a dashboard just like this, and just go to affiliate section and you can find your affiliate link over there. Okay, and whoever you refer to this website, you get a commission for that. And there are 3 tier commissions in this website. So you get 4% commission of whatever the amount your customer deposits, or whoever the person to whom you have who has signed up from your affiliate links, whatever the amount he deposits in this website, you get a commission of 4% of that amount. And that's really insane, because you get commission till 3 steps. If someone your customer refers to someone else, then you also get commissions from his referral, as well as if his referral also refers, then you also get a commission even after that. That is really good, because you get a 3 tier commissions on this, and that's really awesome. Okay, and you are really going to make some passive affiliate money promoting this simple website. And people are really making big amount of money just by promoting this simple stuff as well as simple website, because this is an investment website and many of the people are interested in investment. So the people who are already having some good money are interested in this type of websites. They are always searching for the ways how to earn money. Okay, so you can see here, these are something which is known as G points, which you will get if you refer someone to this website. Okay, and this also adds to your deposits. So whatever commission you earn, you can deposit it in this website, or you can directly withdraw. It's your choice, whatever you want to do. Okay, and you are really going to, and the payment, so there are many of the payment options such as Payeer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Ether. Whichever payment option you would like, you can select here to receive your commissions from here. Just go to affiliate website and you will get your affiliate link over here. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to promote its affiliate link. You also get banners for this website. Okay, so you can also go for banners. Okay, now how you are going to promote this? All you need to do is just go to Facebook and search for groups which are related to, just type in investments and just go to groups. Okay, and you will find all these groups like investing for beginners, Bitcoin investments, Bitcoin adventure, Philippines, okay, etc. So there are many of the people who are interested in this type of groups. Okay, and you can see this, you can join many of this type of groups and just post this this your affiliate link in this type of groups. I don't You can just easily post join many of these groups and just post this type of link in those groups. Okay, so those who are already interested in investing are definitely searching for some of the platform to invest their money, and they are definitely going to invest some of their money and try out this platform. And if they try out this platform and invest even $10, even then you are going to get a commission. So that's really easy, that's really simple, because the amount of money which you need to invest in this website is very low. So people are definitely willing to invest in this website because it is really low. Okay, so you can start from a very little money, and people are really ready to just deposit small, because you can start investing with just $15. And these people who are in these groups are really interested in investing, and they won't hesitate in investing $15, and you will get a commission from there. them if they invest their money. And the more people you refer to this website, the more money you make from this website. So this is really good. This is really something very easy and very good for beginners, because many of the beginners can just start earning some money promoting this simple stuff. Okay, and you can also create a YouTube video just like this screen recording video which I have created using this software which is known as OBS Studio. Okay, then you can also do that stuff if you want to, or this can also be promoted on Facebook. So these are two methods with which you can promote this stuff and really make some good money in 2020 just by doing really simple stuff. This is an excellently easy way to make money for beginners in the investment niche, because investment niche is really a very big niche and which can really earn you some really big amounts of money, even passive income. So just stay ready, stay tuned. More and more new content is coming on this channel. This 2020 is going to be really very good content is going to come on this channel in this 2020. So stay excited, and if you haven't pressed the subscribe button, just press it, and also press the bell notification which will come next to it. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And also don't forget to check out this other videos on my channel. They will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online.